Hello, welcome to Strategic Selling for Success with Bruce Gimmer and Tom Forder with Verizon to talk about the Verizon Contact Center Hub solution. Hi, Tom.
Hey, Bruce.
Tom, I want to ask you, what would you say is one of the most important reasons that an advisor would select you as their provider of choice?
Yep. So obviously, Verizon has a wide portfolio of products that can help meet the communication needs of customers. But when it comes to the contact center hub, I think this really is a great solution for the SMB businesses that are really looking to expand outside of a traditional UCaaS system.
Sounds awesome. And that totally makes sense. And with that, what are some business challenges that you solve for a customer and how?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think one of the biggest ones is the growth and expansion of hybrid and remote work, right? So Contact Center Hub is a great CCaaS solution that's really designed to be flexible because it is, completely software based. It's also a great tool for companies that are looking to better understand their conversations, what the business outcomes of those are, and then also increase efficiency for people that are communicating on the phone. So, particularly, we're talking about sales and customer support teams, making sure that they have accurate data and clean data as well.
And that's very important to have that accurate and clean data. And so when you're looking at that, what are some customer types or verticals that you work best with and why?
Yep. So it really is any business that has a customer facing team, right? Sales, support, dispatch. Where we see a lot of success is going to be your home and professional services, your e commerce retail companies as well. And then the last one would be any sort of SaaS or tech business. And really, what these companies have in common is they have a team that is either making or receiving a high volume of calls and need to get that data back into some sort of centralized database. Contact Center Hub offers 100 plus native integrations, meaning that they can be set up in 3 to 4 clicks. So that way they can get that data back. We're talking call recording, agents, talk time, et cetera. So all that data automatically gets pushed back. So really any team that's using one of those business tools is really going to take advantage of the Contact Center Hub's capabilities.
Business tools sounds like it's a very robust solution for a customer. And
Mhm.
we had actually done a report last year in 2021. It was a small business software trends report where we found, Tom,
Mhm.
that many SMBs are turning to SaaS and other cloud-based software to power their digital transformations and help
Yep.
take that to cloud, adopt and scale and customize it. So, Tom, what role does your technology play in helping businesses with this digital transformation?
Yeah, so I think contact center is great for those businesses that are looking to modernize, right? Just because of those integrations that I was talking about, right? So I, as a customer support agent, for example, I take a phone call. I know who's calling in. I'm not spending that time going, what's your name? Let me pull up your account information, right? So I'm getting through that phone call faster. On the back end of that phone call, we're going to go ahead and we're going to push that data through. So there's no manual data entry, and all of this is done because of the contact center being hosted on the cloud, right? So now I have speed to implementation. We can get this system set up in roughly 2.5 weeks. It's very flexible. Everything is drag and drop, super intuitive. Doesn't require a huge IT lift to either set up or maintain. And then, of course, the affordability of it all. So I think through that, we are truly bringing those customers into that modern world and connecting all their tools to centralize that data and keep making efficient decisions for their businesses.
Cloud-based platform, affordability, and all the tools that they need in a seamless environment is what it's all about. When we're thinking
Absolutely.
of the best ways to position this solution, Tom, give us a couple,
Mhm.
two or three great open-ended questions that we could use out there in the field to help position this solution.
Absolutely. So I think the first one that comes to mind is, asking a business, what other cloud tools are they using today? Specifically, we're trying to target and understand if they're using any CRM or help desk that we might have one of those native integrations to, right? So if I know that they're, for example, using Zendesk or Zoho or HubSpot, I'm instantly going to know Contact Center is going to be a great solution for them, right? The second question would be, if we're speaking with an IT director, how much time do you spend managing the phone system? How hard is it to make changes when you're growing your business and adding new people, or potentially having to remove people for seasonality and maybe more of that e-commerce space, right? Our system, Contact Center Hub, is designed to be able to make changes to routing structures and user management in clicks, right? Compared to a lot of other systems. And then finally, if we're speaking more to those, sales and customer success directors, we're talking more about, how do you track the performance of your customer facing teams when they're on the phone? Do you understand who your best rep is and why? Getting into more of the analytics that a tool, CCaaS solution like Contact Center Hub is going to provide over that traditional UCaaS solution.
But Tom, you gave us a lot of great open-ended questions that we could use to position the solution from different angles. To end this, what would you say are some other solutions or products that complement best with your solution and why?
Yep. So any of those CRM or help desk tools that we natively integrate with, all the major CRM and help desk solutions we probably integrate with already natively. Like I said, those are 3 to 4 clicks. So those are instantly going to be the best ones to complement and really pair with. And then, of course, all of the Verizon portfolio. So your failover business internet solutions, your traditional systems as well. So really, we can tie this into a lot of solutions and provide a complete communications package.
Complete communications package is what it's all about. When you're looking for the best contact center hub solution, who do you want to call? Tom Forder with Verizon. Tom, thank you so much.
Thanks, Bruce.